Welcome to Navigating FlyPlates. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use FlyPlates to create the perfect sales templates and grow revenue. Once here within FlyMSG, you can click on FlyPlates. What's a FlyPlate? Well, whenever in doubt, all you have to do is mouse over these little question marks and it'll tell you exactly what the box or item is. In this case, a FlyPlate is like a template. We've already included templates, or what we call FlyPlates, for multiple occasions, all written by Vingresso. There are many different options that we've included inside here. This is one big list, as you can see, but we've gone ahead and categorized them for you. Here you'll see on the left-hand side the general category. Next, you'll see an item for connection requests, usually used when trying to connect with those on LinkedIn. We also have templates for trigger events and a message template for cold message outreach. You can click on View All, which is where we're at right now, or go into any one of these individual categories. In each one of these categories, you have the option to add an individual FlyPlate to your FlyCuts, or you can add them all directly to your FlyCuts. It's very easy. Let's show you how to add an individual general FlyPlate to your FlyCuts. I'm going to choose the FYI. I click on FYI. The FlyCut has already been created, and same with the title. This is all editable once you've loaded it into your FlyCuts. All you have to do is simply click on this button right here, Add to FlyCuts. Once added, you now select a category. It's very important to note, these are categories that you have built as part of your personal FlyCuts. If you do not see the category here that you can use, you can select default category, or you can cancel out of this and go and build a specific category for your FlyCut. Inside of my FlyCuts, I've already pre-built a category called General, essentially matching the FlyPlates general category as well. So I'm going to take this FlyCut here and add it to my category, General, and click Save. Once there, I can now find this under my personal general FlyCuts. And there it is, voila. I now have the ability to click on that and edit the FlyCut, edit the title, and edit the expanded text. Remember, as you type, the FlyCut automatically saves your changes. Let's say you've made a change in the individual FlyPlate now stored in your FlyCut, and you want to actually go back to the original. So I'm going to make a change here by adding in just the word type. Now, a week later, a month later, a year later, I decide that I want to go back to the original suggested text that the FlyPlate provided to me originally. I'll come back to the FlyPlates under Original. If I click on FYI, I can reset back to the original text using Reset in My FlyCuts. Watch. I've clicked that. I'm going to reset this, the FlyPlate in my FlyCut, and now I'm going to come back here to General under my FlyCuts, open up my FYI, and the word type is no longer there. Voila! Now your FlyCut is exactly restored back to the original text. What I encourage you to do next is to go through our FlyPlates that we're providing to you. Figure out which types of standard template messages do you potentially want to use. Connection requests, again, are for use on social platforms like LinkedIn. Trigger events. These are messages that you might use for, again, trigger events happening on LinkedIn. As an example, birthday messages, promotion messages, anniversary messages. These are the types of things that you can build out. And we've already included the actual FlyCut or shortcut for you. In addition, we also have a cold outreach template. This is taken directly from our PVC sales methodology that we teach our sellers. You can simply come inside here, and while you cannot edit this content inside of here, once you add it to your FlyCut, it's completely editable. And as you can see, we provided you a nice template that you can use, that all you have to do when you have it in your FlyCut and you use it with a few keystrokes, you just come in, double click on the customizable areas, and type in your information. That's how you use FlyPlates. Now your job is to go through the FlyPlates and add it to your FlyCuts now. Let's go ahead and move on now to the next tutorial called Managing Categories.